Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about how to enter recovery mode on iPhone. Here I've got an iPhone 12. If your iPhone is iPhone 8 or later, you can follow the steps afterwards to put your iPhone into recovery mode. If it's not, just skip to the part that fits you. First, connect our iPhone to the computer. Press volume up and volume down button. Then press and hold the side button until the Connect to iTunes screen shows up. Okay, we are in recovery mode. And here I've got iPhone 7. If your iPhone is iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus, follow suit. Connect iPhone to the computer via USB. Press and hold volume down and side button at the same time. Don't release them until we see the Connect to iTunes screen. Then here we come with iPhone 6. If your phone is iPhone 6s or earlier, this section is for you. Also, connect iPhone to the computer with a USB cable. Then press and hold home button and side button until Connect to iTunes screen shows up. If above methods didn't work for you, you may try iMyFone Fixppo, a professional iOS repair tool. You can enter or exit recovery mode in just a few clicks. Launch Fixppo and select Enter or Exit Recovery Mode. Click Enter Recovery Mode. Your iPhone will be in the recovery mode in a few seconds. If you need to exit recovery mode, just click Exit Recovery Mode, which also takes only a few seconds. Alright, this is today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.